idea how I look because my laptop is not free, and I don't know if I'm in frame or not. But will I record it again if I'm not in frame? No. The intro is not the highlight of the video. Just watch the video. Okay. Hey guys, this is Adarsh, and the last video that I uploaded was part of a very big video, about 3.5 hours video, where we just jam and talk about magic and life and all that stuff. So I thought I would make another video out of the jam I recorded, and this is it. Here we just talk about some fake reactions and our experiences, my experiences with some magicians who like to have fake reactions, our thoughts on fake reactions, and also we just bitch about other magicians. I'm going to be censoring all the names of all the magicians because I don't want to defame anyone. God, that guy is distracting me a lot. I have my window open so I get sunlight, and there's a naked guy there. Anyways, yeah. So I'm going to be censoring all the names so that I don't accidentally defame anyone or hurt anyone's feelings. But it's a pretty interesting video. Just watch it and enjoy.
You are going to have a hell of a time editing this. Up to you what you want to include and what not.
No, actually, it's a fun concept.
What? What is a fun concept?
नहीं, मतलब to get our conversation recorded, and मतलब obviously we will also do performances, na? So we can have separate video for bloopers and all, and for performances separate video. And yeah, अच्छा reaction देना जो भी कोई perform कर रहा है. Jabrisi style, yeah.
No. We should not react at all. And then, like, others, like, sometimes they add those captions at the bottom, right, while the video is playing.
Yeah.
Then,
It was at
when
this
somebody's
moment
performing. No. When we are performing, and everybody's like, just write down there. This is how magicians actually react in real life. Don't believe what you see on Instagram.
Actually.
So
Nobody. It's like, dude, Instagram, Shantanu. People do. Okay. King of clubs. And the and whoa, dude, blew my mind, man. Who is that fellow?
Actually,
How did that happen? That is so good. That is so good. Please.
I mean,
You have to cut. I took a lot of names. Others, I swear to God, if you put any of that.
I
was actually wondering
this. You know,
no.
he's also a pretty big time magician, and he's more or less like this magic only. He, so yeah, somewhat like.
I got it. Yeah.
So I was hanging out with him, and he wanted to perform some Rubik's Cube magic, and he was like, he invited me, come and you have to give a very big reaction, and he just did that bag solve where you solve it inside and then you take it out. It's it's solved. You put it in, it is jumbled, and then you take it out.
I think you told me this story.
Yeah. And it's so difficult to give a fake reaction, like
Yeah.
it's not easy. It might seem
I know.
easy, but and that pressure is on a completely different level only. Like someone is recording and then you have to make up some reaction. And
Exactly.
after revisiting that video, he's like, no, I did not like your reaction, and someone else. And then Om tried. Om gives such a bad reaction, like, ooh. What the hell? He did not use that footage only. Like, he never
So this was on Zoom or what?
No,
Real?
this was like way back before quarantine and all. We met in person only. after
Acha.
one of those open mics. I don't remember which one. But
Okay.
you don't need to be good to be big time.
Yeah, man. Look at. I'm gonna blast so many musicians. Like, others should be very careful. Huh? My footage, like, especially, you have to be very like our some names censored. Okay, or should I just censor it myself? There is a certain magician whose name begins with a very uncommon letter. She's a girl, by the way. Okay, I think
Yeah,
Aditya certainly
understood.
knows who I'm talking about. She's mainly a stage magician, but you should see her videos. Like, what were we talking about? Why did I bring her up? What, like, you don't need
What-
to be good. You don't
Yeah.
need to be good to be famous.
What letter? What letter? Huh? No, I don't know, man.
You don't know. Okay.
We just
I mean,
keep
her
sharing
sta-
our
her-
videos to each other.
Literally,
Acha,
like-
you shared me a link.
Yes.
Like-
You got. I shared it one
Okay,
time also.
but
I shared-
there were many
Dude.
people. I don't know whom you are referring to.
No. There was only one whose name begins with a very uncommon letter.
Okay.
Yeah.
She has
Go
to
through it
put.
again.
She has to put 4 cards into the deck, right? Dude, like,
She takes a good 1 minute to put those 4 aces in different parts.
Acha.
like this, literally, like to put 4 cards. She would have. It would have been faster if she did this.
Huh,
Legit, I'm
exactly,
telling
yeah.
you, legit, it would have been faster. And then even that simple, this shuffle.
I got it. Yeah.
That also she fucks up like that. How can anybody? That shuffle is like the easiest thing. So, if you have a card here, the cards are supposed to come all the way down, right?
Yeah.
She doesn't do that. It goes like this to the side, and then she pulls it out like this.
I hope she sees this. And then in the future, you guys should do it.
Everybody's going to hate me. But it's okay. I mean, you have to look at your imperfections. Right?
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm perfect. I fuck up so many things. Have you seen Piff's penguin lecture? You know Piff the Magic Dragon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I've
not
seen.
seen
I
that
know what
lecture.
you're going to talk about.
Yeah, even in that he talks about some guy who has copied him, and oh my god,
Word
it's
for
so
word.
bad. It's so bad. Like it's like word for word copy, and Piff has a chihuahua, I think.
Yeah.
So this copy fellow, some Russian dude, he comes with some other animal, and he says, "This is Mr. Piffles. It is some rabbit or something." And then he says, "Because chihuahuas are outdated." This is what he says.
Damn.
Like, what the? And Piff is standing like right next to the other, and he's like, "What the fuck? what have I ever done to him?"
No, where
My
did this
joke-
Same
happen?
costume, same character, everything is the same.
Everything same. Even the trick, I think. I don't
No,
remember.
Yeah.
where did this happen actually?
So Piff has a penguin
On
lecture.
some Got Talent.
Yeah.
show.
The copy
this
guy
happened
went
on Got Talent.
a Russian or a Eastern European Got Talent show.
Okay.
I don't know which exactly. One of those Eastern European countries, or maybe Russia. There was also one video of somebody tagged Shin Lim in some kids performance. I don't know if you saw that video. Maybe he took it down. So the kid is basically doing something similar to 52 Shades of Red, but not as
I
complicated as.
remember that. He posted it on his Instagram. It
And-
was like, just shouting
and
or like saying mean things about it.
Yeah, like Shin was so annoyed, and I was like, why is he getting? At that time, I didn't understand. Right, like it's just a kid, and fine. Partly, I still do agree. It's just a kid, you can't expect him
Yeah.
to come up with original stuff of his own. So ठीक है, and like let him do. But I get the feeling, you know, now.
Yeah, I
that
mean, if you have put so many hours into it and somebody just blatantly copies it,
Yeah.
no one will ever understand that except you.
Change the music, change the pattern and
Yeah.
presentation.
Speaking of music, there is this guy.
Are you
Do you
talking
know?
about that guy?
Wait. Let me
Sure.
guess. Pele. What is he going to talk about?
Yeah, who am I going to talk?
Shorja?
And
That gunshot wala.
No.
No. Gunshot wala is actually, I mean, okay.
That was
it's
a
just
good
his-
snap change, by the way.
Yeah.
That was good.
It was a good snap change. It was a very good application also of it. It was just that his expressions are a bit weird. It's like he's
And
like,
the
what?
video speeds up and slows
Gangster
down
was
just
a-
randomly.
Yeah, it's like for me, like it would have been so much cleaner and so much more professional. He just went like and done, just
Yeah.
done there. You know, nothing. But
You
no,
gotta
people
sell
were.
that, bro. You gotta sell the gun. That's this. You gotta sell this. Your fucking hand, and you gotta sell it like it's a real gun. With your
This is
expressions.
all in slow motion.
All in slow motion. Yeah, like you come here and it's just.
Just imagine his
Are
mom
you-
is looking from a distance. Like,
Yeah, it's like where did I go wrong? No, उस रात it's the typical meme, you know. उस रात चुपचाप सोना चाहिए था. No, but I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about somebody else.
Yeah.
This guy named. This guy copies Shin Lim actions, movements. I mean, it's the
I
same thing.
haven't seen-
Music. He copies the music as well. The same music, bro.
But he has gained
हाँ,
popularity through
no,
it.
no doubt that Hans music is
What? Sorry, Om. What did you say?
He has got popularity through it now. But
Yeah,
performing that.
that's the sad part about it. No, like
I mean, he's
And
not
that
going to
too-
go very far. Like, how far is he expecting to
it's like
go using
the
it?
he
behind
won't.
the-
No.
no रे, मतलब इंडिया में कितना लोग ने शिन का परफॉर्मेंस देखा है उसके
He
ऊपर
will not go very far with the same mentality. If somewhere along the line the mentality changes, then it happens sometimes. You know, initially people are a bit cringy, and then later on they start getting good ideas and they just
Yeah.
veer off into their own thing. But it's like it's only a matter of time before somebody's
And
like,
they can-
oh, it's just like that Asian fellow.
I'm pretty sure that people like Gibberishi, Rick Lax, or even Julius Dean, these people have way more followers in India and even around the world as compared to other magicians like Shin Lim or
Yeah.
X7 or those people. So
Sir,
people don't care. मतलब उनको जो दिखता है वो लोग खरीद लेंगे वैसे.
Social media presence. These guys are killing it. Like I'll admit, like Julius Dean, Chiprizi, like the rest
Bro,
of us don't upload so
Julius
much.
Dean,
Clickbait ही
man.
कैसा रहता है?
Smart.
सब लोग
Smart
pick
guy.
कर-
He played it smartly, man. Now he's doing proper magic to win back the magicians. And he took Chris Ramsey's help to win back all the magicians because only all the magicians knew that all his videos were fake. And uske pehle he won all the laymen by doing all those fake videos. Smart guy, man.
क्या
This
मतलब
Instagram magic horror
Yeah,
I guess
with
what
his weird facial expressions.
Yeah.
He has 5,000 or something followers.
Smart, bro. I want to give him a slap. Jesus. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Exactly the same.
So fucking hilarious,
Exactly
dude.
the same.
the viewers are going to need so much context to get any of this if I decide to upload it.
actually
So annoying, man. Because everyone thinks that is magic.
Listen. You know what you should do, others? Oh, yeah, that's, I mean, sad
When we
part. But
talk
what you should
about
do, others
this,
is listen. For this, right, when we are blasting other magicians, we just put a title. At this point, we start blasting other magicians. Make sure no name is mentioned. Just record people talking about them, like me or Shantanu or Sojo. We are just talking. We're just saying he did this, he did that, and me doing, this. Like, let's just
Application
that.
वाला don't put है, application में scene हो जाएगा. But it's
Yeah.
pretty obvious कि ये would easily figure
Okay,
it
हाँ
out.
ठीक है. What? Yeah, we'll see on that. But yeah, people they think magic is that now, so I don't know what to do.
Wait, there's this thing called Reddit channel, okay? Reddit Magic. Sorry, Instagram page. So I sent them one of my coin vanishes, okay? I was like overly ambitious, like bro, ये तो हो ही जाएगा post and I get famous and at least 1k followers I get. Like please God,
This is what
Please,
everyone
one
thinks,
kid.
no?
that's all I want, bro. Please. That's me to God. So I sent them that thing, and they're like, you're on the some bullshit they said, okay, to like shut me off. They're like, you're on our list. Wait for some way. I'll read it out to you. One sec.
Who sent the mods?
Yeah,
I don't know,
think
man.
so.
Right?
But that typical message to not sound too rude.
Yeah. So they said we'll add it to the queue. That's all they said. Okay. So I was like very happy, very excited, and some like 1 week later they posted that Maka magic, and my fucking video never came, and hurt me deeply inside. That's why I hate now.
Yeah, what I don't even know his name.
I think his name is. Wait, hold on.
But it pisses me off, man. They just buy all the gimmicks and just
Yeah.
show the gimmick. There's no skill involved. Like I'm not pissed at people who show something unique and show good stuff. If it's not good stuff, then it's not magic.
If
It's
you're
just
getting
take
the
their
gimmick,
piece
then
of-
use it in a very creative way, you know. Don't just
Yeah,
copy
exactly.
what was taught to you. Use what was taught into something new and create something. Otherwise, like before you, hundreds of people have uploaded the exact same thing. How are you going to stand out?
अरे
Guys,
it depends ना, मतलब
Yes.
ऑडियंस ने देखा है कि नहीं उसके ऊपर है. लाइक समझ रहे हैं ना,
Yeah.
whom are you targeting? If you are targeting musicians, then obviously come up with something unique. If you are targeting a layman, then it doesn't. You shouldn't care कितना unique होना. समझ रहे
Magic
हैं?
thought.
That's cool. Loki,
Magic.
we're all just jealous fucks. I don't know about you,
Matlab-
but I am a jealous fuck. Always hating on us just because they have the availability.